Good morning.
Good.
Ford is finally moving. Took some time. Doesn't look like I'm gonna be doing a lot today. Don't have anything on my watch list. Would entering SM here be a chase? Why didn't you buy it yesterday when it had a setup? Yesterday was the day when all the oil stocks broke out. That was the entry. That was the entry. Too late? It's well below yesterday's highs. No, it's not too late. Yeah, I don't think I make a trade today. Actually, I already made a trade. I sold like 1/10 of Ford. Actually, a bit less, but other than that, I don't think I will do any trades. Good luck, everyone. Nvidia feels a bit laggy. I don't like that. But yeah, it could go. It does feel a bit laggy. I don't like the weak close yesterday. AVCT, yeah, it keeps grinding higher. Maybe it could finally start speeding up towards 4. Russell at the 50 day. The sideways 50. Interesting. Oh, FAS going. ANY, incredible start to the year. Okay. bros. Yeah, maybe. Not yet, but maybe maybe next week. Hey David, you love my comments? Thank you. Yeah, SI I do like. What's coin doing? Yeah, the software names, man. It looks like software wants to take another leg lower. It's a really weak sector now, after being a leader for so many years. XPEV. Yeah. China EVs are not acting well. Roblox. Yeah, weak. It's energy and financials, and Ford and semiconductors. Those are the sectors, the leading sectors. Ford is going? Really? You must be the 20th person saying that in chat today. Or maybe the 19th. I didn't notice it. Ford is ripping. Ford's going. Even GE is going. Okay. What does Ford do? I don't know. It's going up. Airbnb. Rest of the EV stocks down. F will follow. Or maybe the others will follow Ford. Have you thought about that? Yeah, what the F, man? What's China doing? China is still... Yeah, he can't get up for air. China looks so bad. Close the chat, better experience. Yep. PSFV. I don't know. Maybe could do a dead cat bounce or something. There has never been a streamer with such disdain for his followers. I love it. Yeah. Maybe not disdain, but disdain for people who haven't followed the chat rules. And I'm one of the very few streamers who don't need his followers. I don't make money off of you. You're literally a menace. Special David. Yeah, these software cloud and internet related names, they're kind of rolling over one by one. But there is leadership. We have to focus on the strong ones. Man, maybe should have done a little bit more ERX. I didn't get my ideal entry in ERX yesterday. I wanted it on the bids 375, but I got filled half at 385, and then I never got filled on the other half. So I'm sitting half size on it, unfortunately. Marvel, yeah, they're all breaking. Marvel is a slow one though, very slow. Nvidia, yeah, this thing is getting so tight. Unfortunately, it's kind of lagging for now because all the other semis broke out yesterday. AMD and Nvidia are lagging. In October, November, they were leading. Now they're lagging. But I do have exposure to semiconductors via SOXL. AMD and Nvidia look exactly the same. Not exactly the same, but very similar. Do I think EMPH has what? Has fallen too far? No, wait, what's the question? Has fallen too far and tried to... it's not really the type of setup I would trade. I don't know. It needs to get above the 193 area with volume. I think it needs more time. The solars overall, they're kind of still in the base. Kind of holding the monthly uptrend. I don't know. I don't see a setup in EMPH. What are the other ones doing? SCDG. Yeah, they all look similar. They just need time. Did I consider shorting Pfizer? No. Yep. This is what sell rules are for. Close below the 20, you get rid of it and look at it now. How you find the leveraged ETFs? You just look for ETFs in TC2000. I don't, go through all the liquid ETFs and you'll find them. Is it a FU year long Ford short Unity software? Yeah, it could be. Zoom. Man, these stocks, Peloton and Zoom. Oh my god, these things are just keep bleeding. So sad. This is what happens when you don't have sell rules, man. Gotta have sell rules. If you wanna be a trader, you need sell rules. Imagine if you bought it, like even if you bought it here, right, at like $100 last year, or actually 2 years ago, right? Imagine holding through all of it, thinking it's gonna go to 1,000, and you know, holding through all of this and still in it. That's a waste of money. That's an opportunity cost. During this time frame, you could have made money on so many other things. Sell rules are super important. There's so many people. Like we're starting to get articles about mainly young guys who gambled on stocks 2020 and 2021, and now they're going bankrupt one after another, having a lot of debt and crashed relationships and stuff. We've gotten 2 articles in the largest newspaper the past 2 days. It's a shit show out there, man. This is no joke, guys. This is not a game. Aftonbladet. And there's millions of them in the US. Man, I can't imagine the damage done. Psychological and financial damage done. You know, it was fun while it lasted with all these meme stonks and this and that and chasing these dopamine kicks, but you know, reality has set in. You know, look at all these big winners from 2020 and early 21, you know, most of them are down like 50-70% from the highs. And most of them will go down another 50-70%. Super important. Look, I can whine a little bit, you know, like last year, I went sideways between March and September, right? That's it, I went sideways. I didn't lose half of my net worth or 90% of my net worth. I went sideways. It was frustrating, but I went sideways, right? That's the difference of having rules versus being a gambler. Wow, SC breaking below this bear flag. Yeah, just cutting through support levels. All of them, one by another. All these darlings of the past 3-4 years. Man, is it too late to buy FAS? It is actually day 1 after breaking out of this. What's XL? XLF. Technically, it did have. Maybe if I use a little bit of a wider stop. I don't know. Is Tencent selling everything in SC? Oh, really? I saw they were gonna sell a bunch of shares, but I didn't realize they sold everything. Or they're gonna sell everything. Is FNGU too much of a laggard in the financial sector? FNGU is not in financial ETF. It's the Fang and Friends. That's what it is. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. CubeCom is still still going from the EP. Oh, Tencent is not all out? Okay. Thoughts about the direction of crypto? Yes. I have thoughts. Holy shit, Ford! Oh man, China EVs are really coming in. We'll see how they hold the moving averages. If they can hold the 10 and 20. Melee got rejected of the 50. Maybe I should just anticipate. I don't know. It's probably gonna fail. Like, it's probably gonna stop me out anyway. So or maybe not. I don't know. Because all these other ones are going lower, right? Break the rules? Okay, I won't break the rules, you fuckers. I actually broke the rules, sell rules on Pan W yesterday, and that was the right thing to do. Sometimes, you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Mostly it doesn't. What can I say? Yeah, value stocks are definitely leading now. And the stocks we're used to trade over the past 3-4 years are lagging. Or actually, a lot of them are just getting liquidated. But that's good. That creates opportunity. That creates opportunity. MP, yeah, MP is not something you should trade off the daily. It's a very choppy stock. You can see it clearly. It's all over the place. Dun, 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 dun. This is good. I like the fact that all these things are getting sold. That creates opportunity. I really hope they get extended. You know, some panic selling on those past darlings. Maybe we get some tradable bounce eventually. Like, for example, something like SC. It cut through the rising 20 monthly, but if we can get down to this 50 monthly, if we can get cut in half one more time, the faster you can do it, the better. That could be a tradable bounce area, potentially. But until then, we wait. Till then we wait. Dun, 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 dun. Koopa, another one, bearish flag looking. Type UPSD. Hey, what does UPSD do? It's going lower. That's what it does. This Roku is super tight. This may be a bear flag I'll trade, because it's liquid and high priced and really tight. Twitter too broke down below the bear flag yesterday. Snapchat can't get up for air. Square looks like it's gonna break down. So many bear flags. But TSM, man, what a beast. Tesla. I don't like the look of Nvidia, to be honest. It's a laggard now versus other semi names. Russell rejecting the 50-day? Yeah, for now. Yep. But it's also straight up. It wouldn't be a bad thing if it pulls back to the 10, 20, goes sideways. Maybe it tries to break out again, or if it tries to break down. It's kind of in the middle of the range. Hard to... Yeah, square is triggering. Man. So tempting to short these bear flags, but I don't think I'll short these individual stocks much. Maybe I'll just do ARK. ON is leading semi. Yes, it is. Again, here's the EP. EPs are so powerful. EPs are the most powerful setup in the stock market. It really is. GME, yeah. Yeah, it looks vulnerable. It does look vulnerable. But it's so thin. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's thin. Cyclical sleeving is not a good sign for who? If cyclicals are leading, you should be long cyclicals. I'm long a bunch of cyclicals. Doesn't mean anything. Cyclicals leading just means cyclicals leading. Looks like I'm gonna reshuffle my portfolio a little bit again. I don't really like the action in a bunch of things. Most traders have never seen growth not lead. Yep. Fuck David. Hey, David, fuck off. Do I think we're gonna see setup soon? I have no idea. If LI closes like this or lower, I'm gonna sell it. It's right at the 10 and 20. It really needs to bounce here. Got short some arc, melee. If it closes like below the 10, I'll just get rid of it. I'm just seeing a lot of selling right now. And also the Russell ran into the 50 and it's getting rejected. You know, not a great... not a great thing. No. How would I rank LAC setup yesterday? I don't know if there was a setup there. Last time this thing had a setup was here. Centerpoint, yes, that's my main broker. William O'Neill talks about institutional over-ownership being a possible danger with top stocks. Why would those stocks be more dangerous than any other stock? Do you know what's dangerous? Not having sell rules. I'd rather be in stocks the institutions want than in stocks the institutions don't want. GME, or which one? GME going into stage 4? Yeah, it's true. It's been in stage 3 for a long time, and yeah, if it goes down here, it's gonna be stage 4. I'm quoted on the Centerpoint Securities homepage? Where? I am. Oh yeah. I remember giving that quote. Here I am. That's me. That's not me. That's not me. That's me. What would you do if GME circuit broke upwards? What do you think I would do? Just a wild guess. Just throw something out there. Like a really wild guess. Like reasonable. What do you think I would do? Do I pay capital gains taxes? Yes. I pay 30%. I live in a tax haven? Really? Do EE company no taxes? Yeah, but then I have to move. That's the problem. It's not that easy. I can't just make a foreign company and keep living here. Sorry, it's just not how it works. I wish it was like that, but... If there was a transaction tax, I would move, yes, because that would be just insane. Pareto? Well, Pareto is expensive, that's the problem. You're from Dubai, you were a millionaire thanks to me, and you were a billionaire in 2021. Yeah, I wish I could trade in an ESCO. I should probably try to use my Pareto account a little bit more often. I'm long 100% FCX in my Pareto account actually. So if this thing goes like, I don't know, 50, I'll pay no taxes on it. Yay. But it's expensive. I'm trying to do these, you know, things I'm willing to hold many months. Those types of trades. I wonder if this Nvidia could be a short. Like it was a past 2 sessions it's shown relative weakness. Actually past 2 sessions. And now it's kind of starting to lose the 50-day here. Much weaker than AMD and other semiconductors. Why is so expensive at Pareto? I don't know. Maybe you should call them and ask. I don't know why it's expensive. Why you're asking me? Oh, LI is not acting well here. XBEV is much stronger, clearly showing much more strength. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream here. Thanks for joining and see you tomorrow.